Today, I'm going to tell you how to remove excess salt from idli batter. As you can see, this is the 1 liter of salted idli batter that we wish to repair. For this, we need to soak 1 glass of raw rice and 1/4 glass of urad dal for 3 hours. Now, we take all of this into a mixer jar. First, we take the rice and then we have the urad dal. Now we grind this into a smooth paste to the same consistency as idli batter. Here you can see that the ground idli batter, fresh idli batter is ready now. Now we get the salted batter ready, and to this salted batter we add the freshly ground batter slowly and nicely mix it. And I will be using my hands to mix this batter very well, so that the yeast present in our hands will help the batter to kind of ferment well. Close this mixture with a lid and allow it to ferment overnight for about 8 hours. And batter has fermented well and is now ready to make idlis with the levels of salt neutralized.